Hello friends, today I am going to show you how you can manage your table in case you have a very long data table and you want to freeze the columns or rows, or you want to split the screen, or you want to apply the filter. How you can do that? Let's begin. If you want to freeze the top header of your table, so in that case go in the tab view and use this option freeze pen and freeze the top row. If you click on it, you will see your top row is freeze, and you can scroll down and scroll up. This will not go anywhere. So again, unfreeze this option. You have to go again here in this option freeze pen and unfreeze this. Now it will work as previous. And if you want to freeze the first column, again the same, go here, freeze the first column option. Now when you scroll horizontally, you will see the first column will not go anywhere, and unfreeze it. But if for example you want to freeze these 10 columns or rows and 2 A and B columns, so what you should do, you go here like above 10 rows and here 2 columns, you have to select this cell and go here and freeze pen. Now you will see when you scroll vertically, the rows will not go anywhere, and if you go horizontally, the columns will not go anywhere. So this is how you can manage or freeze the rows and columns. But sometimes, let's suppose at the end you have total and you want to manipulate with the values and you want to keep looking your total. Here you have another option in the same tab, split screen. When you click here, what it does, it will split your screen into 4 similar screens. For example, the data what you have here you have in here also in the second screen, in the third screen, in the fourth screen. So what you should do, select the 2 screen and bring the total at the bottom screen, and then you can play anywhere wherever you want to manipulate your data, like you want to see, so you can see your total as well directly. But what happened in this window, you cannot apply freeze pen at the top or anywhere. Whenever you can apply either a split or freeze pen option. Let's suppose I will show you when I apply freeze pen, so the split screen gone. So if you want to apply both together, the freeze pen option and the split option, what you should do, there is another option. You have to select all your data, for example, and then go here in the insert and convert your data into table. It says from here this much row and this much column you want to convert to table, say yes and keep your header. So it will convert your data into table. And what is the benefit of this table? Whenever you scroll down, your heading become the column name. So you don't need here in this case to freeze the top row. Now you have to apply here only the split option, so it will work properly. So I'm gonna show you here. Go to view, apply a split screen, and then bring it down wherever you feel convenient. So in the bottom screen, I want to bring the total value only, and here, oh sorry, I have to click up screen. Now the total will stay still at the bottom, and you see you have the header at the top, and you can change any value, and you can see if you are editing in a profit, if you are editing in a sales, so you can see your total meanwhile. Now the last thing what I said earlier, I will also explain you how you can apply the filter. So for applying filter, if you want to see your sale of year 2014 or 13, go here, press this button. You will see here 3 options, select all, 2013 and 14. So I will select only here 2014. It will sort all the data of 2014 for me and here I can apply at the end the total formula, and I can see it is giving you the actual total value. For the another total, for example the total of year 2014, you have to apply formula here, like you can apply here sum and select all cells, enter, so you can get it. So in that case, if you don't want to make it a table and you just want to apply a filter on a single column, so how you can do that? Let's go to the another sheet. For example, you want to apply filter on this column A only, and you want to separate your data with the reference to the country. So how you can do that? Select the column, go here again, in the data tab, and apply this button filter. So you will see the button will appear on next to the country name. So here when you press, you will see the different countries name. So click the desired country whichsoever you want to use to filter your data, and click OK. So it will separate all the data belongs to the sale and purchase, or the sale and profit belongs to this region. So I hope you like this video. Bye bye.